Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? Now we are doing our maths work. Today our topic is angles. Let's we learn definition. The figure formed from two raised lines or segment extending from the same point known as vertex. Here you can see the example of angle. OA is a arm and OB is also arm and O is a vertex. Yes, types of angle. Zero angle measure 0 degree. The arms lie along the same ray. Example is 0 degree. Yes, next example, next type is acute angle measures less than 90 degree. Next, obtuse angle measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Next is right angle measures exactly 90 degree. Next is straight angle measures exactly 180 degree. Next is reflex angle measures greater than 180 but less than 360 degree. Revolution mean complete angle measures exactly 360 degree. We will do exercise 7C. Question: draw these angles using a protractor. In A part we have value 30 degree. Yes, my dear student, first of all we will draw a ray from right to left. First of all we will draw a line from right to left. Now we will put protector here. Now we have two types of values, inner values and outer values. So when we draw when we draw a ray right to left, then you can see upper values, outer values. Here 30 degree, where is 30? At the top of the protector. Here we have 30, so we'll put point here. Then we will join a line here. Yes, my dear student, when we draw a ray from right to left, then we will look at outer values and here we will write 30 degree. Now we will do next part. Our value is 110 degree. Degree is the symbol of angle. Now first of all we will draw a line without measurement with scale. First ray here. Now here we will put protector, and when our ray is right to left, then we will see upper values. Here is 110, so we'll put point here. Now what we do, we will join this line and here we will write symbol of arrow and here 110 degree. As it is, you will do the remaining parts. Now next question, draw the following angles matching the names. Here angle, this is a symbol of angle DEF. The name of angle is obtuse angle. Now how we will draw the obtuse angle? First of all we will draw a ray. Obtuse, first ray right to left. Yes, my dear student, obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree. So now we put protector here. Draw an angle of greater than 90 degree. It's your choice. You will draw angle of 100, 110 and 120 degrees. So here we put point here 100. This is greater than 90 degree. We put point here and join this line and put arrow here, and we will write the name of this angle DEF. First write here D, then E, then F. This is greater than 90 degree, 100 degree. This is obtuse angle because it is greater than 90 degree. Now we'll do next part, angle PQR. First of all, we will draw a ray right to left. then acute angle is less than 90 degree. Where is, here we will put the protector and these values are less than 90 degree. So we'll put point here 50 degree, that is less than 90 degree. So we will join this point. This is acute angle that is less than 90 degree. We will write the name of this angle P Q R. Yes, my dear student, as it is you will do the remaining parts. If you have any difficulty, then you will ask me. Hope you will like a video. Allah Hafiz, take care.